Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So Big Brother Reunion has started and the drama is coming GBAS from left, right and center. Rumor has it, or it is alleged, that Big Brother just sent an email to Erica saying that if she refuses to attend the reunion, they're going to ban her from multi-choice, which means that whatever project, whatever ad, whatever movie she's in, multi-choice will not air it. That means they will not air it on DSTV, they will not air it on GoTV. That is something. Some people said Bob Mike didn't attend last year, but he had family issues. That was enough reason for him not to attend. Not some I'm bigger than you drama. And then on the way to the set, multi-choice went to take our own celebrities, our very dear Big Brother celebrities, Big Brother housemates. They packed them inside Molue, inside Danfo, Lagos State Danfo. You know how hot these Danfos can be. How can somebody look at Lekon and look at Prince and say they deserve to be inside Danfo? Multi-choice, you guys can do better, please. You cannot be treating our... You could have just told them to come in their cars. That would have been better. That would have saved them the, the problem of having to dodge and having to hide their faces and all that. Prince, I see you. So Ebuka is here again. Ebuka has come to shake tables. He has come to ask questions. He has come to do his thing and make everything plumb. And I'm here for it. All our housemates are in the house. Meanwhile, Kid Royal went there with bodyguards and very fine ass cars. That's the king, Meanwhile, Lucy, is there a ship between you and Praise? Did you guys know that Praise and Watoni unfollowed each other last month on Instagram? And now we are seeing lovey-dovey between Praise and Lizzie. What's going on? My girl Dorothy has packed a suitcase to go to the set where they film the reunion, like the queen that she is, ready to step on you guys' neck. It choke. Have you guys seen Praise lately? He's been looking all fine. Okay, he has packed a lot of footwears and a lot of fine outfits to go into the set and pepper them, because nobody's locking them down at this time, so they can do yanga, they can do whatever they like, and I'm here for it. You guys, you should subscribe to my channel at this point if you are not yet subscribed, because you don't want to miss out on any juicy detail on Big Brother Reunion and Big Brother 2021. Meanwhile,
you are a monster.
Their love looks like he's really waxing stronger. That's he and Neo Akufre. And then also, and
cannot just keep your face like a normal person in your life.
Nengi, forgive me.
Come on, big.
Ozo and Nengi are apart from the fact that they are
she'll be acting like she misses me now.
Skincare brand, all loving doving. Tolani Bad has been bringing drama, the kind of drama we expected. She trended on Twitter today, and this was a picture she posted saying, "I hear say they trend, like waiting the soap." The girl is ready to give us drama. The kind of drama we need for the Big Brother Reunion. I feel like Tolani Bad is the one to look out for. She has the vibe. She has the pepper. So yeah, this is ours. This is the very first time day. This was yesterday, the first day of the filming. I hope you guys will stick around and let us enjoy all the fun that the reunion has to bring. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you turn on the post notification, because I'm going to be bringing you guys all the details as it's happening. I am going to be bringing it to you. You must not miss anything. Trust me. Count on me. I like Amebo. You cannot miss anything. Not on my watch. So guys, if there's anything, please follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Let us notify me of any gist you know or that you've seen that I've not seen. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe, but don't let me start blowing powder. Bye.